kids. Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and secure at your homes. In English, term 1, today we are going to learn Beyond the Universe. This is poem 1 in your first term. Okay children? This is the image which you have in your book. Beyond the Universe poem. What that girl is doing in this picture? Can you guess? Yes, very good. This girl is flying from one planet to another planet. Okay. Already we learnt in our first prose, Earth the Desolated Home. Just I am going to recall it now. Okay. There is a conversation between Arivamani and her grandpa. Grandpa tells that he missed his Earth the desolated home because Earth has been destroyed by the human beings. And what is the main difference between Mars and in Earth? Yes, very good children. In Earth, we don't need space suit and oxygen cylinder. But whereas in Mars, we need space suit and also oxygen cylinder. This is the major difference between the life in Earth and also life in Mars. Children, now I am going to check your social science knowledge. Because this poem based on solar system. Do you aware of solar system? What do you mean by solar system? How many planets are there in solar system? Everyone knows, is it? Which is the biggest planet and which is the smallest planet? You all know, is it? Okay, come. Now let's look into first 4 lines of the poem. Please listen carefully children. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home, away from home. It is a dream of a poet. He dreams that he would like to fly away from the home. This poem is a dream of the poet. He dreams that he like to fly away from this earth planet. Second line, amidst. Amidst means surrounded by. Here the poet dreams that he has to cross all the planets and countless. Countless means innumerable. We can't count stars. Now I am going to explain third line children. At first he stops at the red planet Mars. Why at first he stops at red planet Mars? Because the Mars is the next planet to the Earth. And he dreams that it would be a nice home from our home Earth. Is it clear children? This is first 4 lines from Beyond the Universe poem. Okay children? First, it is a dream of a poet. Please understand it clearly. Listen carefully children. It is a dream of the poet. What the poet dreams? The poet dreams that he would like to fly away from the earth planet. There are so much planets, right? Some of the planets are Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, right? So, like that, he is flying to another planet. It is just a dream. Okay. Amazed. Amazed means surrounded by. Again I am explaining you clearly children. Here the poet dreams that he has to cross all the planets and innumerable stars. Countless stars means we cannot count the stars, is it? So it is the innumerable stars. He is crossing all the planets and the innumerable stars. At first he stops at the red planet Mars. He first stopped at the red planet Mars because the Mars is the next planet to the earth and he dreams that it would be a nice home away from our home earth. Already we learnt in Earth the Desolated Home. In Earth Desolated Home prose, we learnt that how the life in Mars planet will be. So here also the poet dreams about a life in Mars planet away from our home planet. Which is our home planet? Where we are living now? Yes, Earth is our home planet. He dreams that it would be a nice home. It would be means Mars would be a nice home from our home Earth. This is the explanation of first 4 lines, children. Please listen carefully. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me, children. Now, I am going to read next 4 lines of this poem. Totally 8 lines, okay? Fly on towards the Saturn with its rings and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Now I am going to explain these 4 lines. In this second stanza, he explains how the Saturn and Jupiter look like. Next, he flew through the Saturn, which has rings and moons. Only Earth has only one moon, but whereas Saturn planets has so many moons. So next he flew through the Saturn planet, which has rings and moons. Next destination is Jupiter planet. When he looked at the Jupiter, he wondered here marveled means wondered to see the red storms, which is like a marbles. Marbles is nothing but a glass stone, like a glass thing you used to play, right? Like this marbles. How the red storms looks like? The red storms look like marbles. Is it clear, children? It is a very simple poem. It has totally 16 lines. But today I explained you only first 2 stanzas. First 2 paragraphs I explained you. In next class I explained you another 2 stanzas. I hope you clearly understood this poem. Right? Okay. Today your assignment will be, you are going to write all these 8 lines. Okay, children? Because this is your memory poem for first term. In your first term, Beyond the Universe poem is your memory poem. I hope you clearly understood 2 stanzas. Okay? In second stanza, poem explains how the Saturn and Jupiter planet look like. Okay? I hope you clearly understood. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me, children. And already I said 2 stanzas. You are going to write first and second stanza. Okay? First 4 lines and another 4 lines. You are going to write 2 times. Please submit your assignment within a given time. Most of you are submitting your assignments. Good, children. Keep it up your work. Thank you for watching. Keep support us, parents. Thank you, children. Bye.